Hi, I'm Patty Marty.
And I'm Mike Johns.
And if you've been waiting for the right time to purchase the Baby Lock Radiance, now is that time.
Absolutely. And if you're not sure what we're talking about, Baby Lock Radiance is our brand new top-of-the-line machine that embroiders, sews, quilts, and even has an onboard creation program that's going to let you create your own designs from scratch.
Right, and both of us have had a lot of time playing with the machine, and we both have our favorite features. I love playing with the projector. I get perfect placement along with all the camera technology that's built into the machine. It's quite amazing.
Yeah, and I am a personal fan of picture play, which is going to allow you to take images such as photos or even clip art or artwork and immediately convert them over into embroidery designs that you can stitch right on your machine.
And if this sounds like something that you're thinking, I could never master my machine, we've got you covered. One of the things that you get with purchase of the machine is you can sign up for a Radiance 101 class with Mike and I.
So far, we have well over 40 hours worth of education. And guess what? We aren't finished yet. There's more to come.
And by registering for the class, you get access to this content forever. So you get videos. We also incorporate projects that help to reinforce the topics that are taught in the class.
And just in case you missed it, this is free. This is part of the purchase of your machine. Now that's for a limited time only. So once that special is over, it's over.
Right, so make sure that you go to your Baby Lock retailer if you've not checked out the Radiance and ask for a demonstration so you can learn more about this amazing machine.
Don't let this opportunity pass you by, and we look forward to seeing you in class very soon.